Hey guys, welcome to Muck on the Market. Try to run this with IU Bob. Don't really know what's happening. I got all new equipment for this, so I think it's working. It wasn't really working for him on his end. No idea what's actually going on. I'm hoping this is going live and going well. So I guess we'll find out. So yeah, I just listened to it and it seems to be working on my end. So it makes me feel a little bit better that maybe it's on Bob's end that's not working. So I don't have to return all the equipment I bought. Yay! So today's been crazy, a little bit crazy, a little bit fun. Opened up with McDonald's beating in really big upside, then slowly trickle down the opposite way of a trickle down economic market to go into the red. That's a little bit disgusting, but also fun at the same time. When we brings the volatility back, which I know we all love, especially people who follow me and talk to me and enjoy the things I do. We all like volatility. We makes us happy on the inside, which is always good. What I do today, nothing really spectacular. Got long some AMD 11 calls on the weekly. I think it bounces back there. Still long GE puts, still long Fox calls. Added some to the XLB, down on that. Still long Starbucks, IPG long. That's what we're going with right now. So, it's been a good day for me. Some red, some green, mostly red. But I think just what we got to get back to the early morning is going to be good times to trade. We're going to stall out about lunchtime and then come back into the close with, either going to finish the day up or down. But that's where the close is going to tell you where everything is going to be from now on. And then, just reset for the next day tomorrow. I finished up on my Robinhood account. I finished up $2. Whew, God, I was up more than that. But I guess every up day is a good day. Which I say around here, I'm Muck on the Market. It's better to win money than lose money. Long Chesapeake around 299. Love to flip that out about 315. I think it can get back there again. You never really know. I'm pulling up an AMD chart. AMD closed, 1088. I think, it can break back. If it breaks above 1092, if it breaks that, I think it goes to 1101. Make my calls in the money. It's always nice to have in the money calls, not out of the money calls. But, we'll see what happens. I still like the XLB. It had a fun day today, constant grinder down of a day today, but, I think that can still get back up there. We'll see. I do like, industrials and especially material makers. Love defense stocks. I think that's always a fun play. Boeing is, man, like I'm really kind of liking Boeing still, even though it's getting crushed. I think it's a good entry point. If you can get it around 330, I mean, I know it's got a lot to go before that, but it's just kind of what I'm feeling. Don't let my feelings sway you in any way, because I wouldn't let my feelings sway me. But that's kind of what I feel on that. I think, I think there's some good. I think it's more of a actual stock pickers market now, and we'll see how that treats people. I think a lot of people are scared to get out there and see what they can do. I mean, I think a VIX pop, could be really good and much needed at this time. But that's just, it's my opinion. I wish I had someone to counterbalance me out with. but we had due to technical difficulties, that's not working. Let's check what Caterpillar did today. Caterpillar, trading in that like a really tight range it's been for the last couple of days. Pull up 3M. I think 3M around here is a good bottom. Somewhere I would look trying to get into, knowing that it's just a good solid company and they're very much an under promise over deliver group of guys. Where did Apple end up? Apple ended up green. McDonald's still ended up waiting on TOS to bring in my data. But I mean, I think it's overall weird times. We'll see how this volatility continues and what the algorithms are doing to combat it. That's always interesting in my opinion, to see what the new strategies with them are. Yeah, McDonald's is up over 9. I mean, that's what happens when you beat great numbers. Overall, I think there's a lot there. Qualcomm, I don't know if that NXPI deals gets done. I don't like it. I don't like them doing that deal. I just don't really feel like it's accretive to them. I feel like the Broadcom thing was so good for them and would have been good for everyone. But I don't get to pick what the government blocks and who complains to who on the government. It's not what I get to do. I would love to get have some insights on that. I wish Bob was here. He would provide something for it, but he is not. He is making dinner right now. That's what you do when you're a man wife. You can't really complain about it. I still love Fox. Would really love someone to break down why the A shares of Fox is trading more than just Fox. Fox FOXA trades more than just FOX, and I've never really understood why normally voting shares trade under voting shares, but this one, it's flipped around, and it's kind of a dichotomy, and it confuses me. But I feel like this AT&T deal, if AT&T wins and merges with Time Warner, Fox goes to 42. If they don't, Fox is going to hit 30 and be a really big suck on my portfolio and make me want to hang myself. I'm not encouraging anyone to do that, but it is what it is. Also mentioned on Twitter, I got long some Apple today. I still really feel like there's going to be a good buyback and dividend. So a re-addition to that. So I think, that really pops. I don't know if it pops the stock, but I know it gives you a great floor in the stock on where it's going to be. That's kind of all I have for today. Hopefully we can do something tomorrow and get Bob on here so we can go longer. I know you guys like when Bob's on here more than just me rambling. But like I said, we had technical difficulties today, so you got me instead. We'll go from there. I know more people are coming on. They're just kind of busy with the volatility in the market now. Maybe we can go live longer on some nights for the East Coast people. We can drop it out till later and go figure it all out. Just stay tuned. Working on the website, muckonthemarket.com, muckonthemarkets.com. Figuring all that out, and we'll go from there. More things to come. Feedback's always welcome. If you think I'm a moron, bring it on. Let me know. So we'll go from there. Have a good night, guys.